Hello and everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have come with a new video that is really very important to you and very useful to you, because in this video I'm just going to share that what are the first step involved for speaking English language and for learning English language. This video is really very gonna to helpful for all the people who really want to speak very well English language, because in this video I'm just already have mentioned that I'm going to share that what are the first step that is involved for speaking English language. First of all, definitely I would like to say, like most of the people, they just go on the social media and search what are the tips that is necessary for speaking English language, what are the step involved for learning English language, and they just set a mindset for learning English language, and they just do a lots of things, they just practice a lots of things for learning English language. Similarly, today in this video I'm just going to share that what are the first step that is involved for speaking English language, that is really very gonna to help all the people who really want to speak English language, especially for the beginners one who want to speak English language. The first step that involves for speaking learning and for speaking English language and for learning English language is that just start to learn the words, because if you will start to learn the word at the first time, then it will help you to use that words in the sentences that will help you to speak well English language. So that's why the first thing is that you should have to use the words at the first time. That is not need to be learned 50 to 100 words. At the first time, just learn 10 to 20 words. That is essential for us for speaking, for using in the sentences for speaking English language. So just learn the 10 to 20 words. After knowing those all words, just use that word in the sentences, because if you will use that words in the sentences, that will helps you to make the sentence in a better way, and it will also helps you to make word make the word remember very easily. So that's why I can say that the first step that involved for speaking English language is that just learn the words, just use the words at the first time, because for speaking English language, most of the people, they just say that from which step I should start to know the English language and what are the steps that is involved for speaking English language, because they are not aware that from where they should start. Like most of the people, they are also not able to understand the things. So that's why the first thing is that you should have to first learn the words, just learn little words that is essentials and that can be used in the sentences. So just learn all those things, and after knowing all those things, just use that words in the sentences. That will helps to boost in speaking English language. After doing all those things, if you are not able to understand the things, like what are the things that is not able to understandable for you, and if you are not able to understand the English language, then there is necessary to listen more and more, because if you will listen more and more, then you would able to understand the little things that what is happening and what are the things that the person they are using in speaking English language. So you will get help from that. So there is needed to listen a lot. So just listen the speech through the social medias like YouTube. There is a lots of cartoon also available. Just go on that and just search all those things and just listen all those things, because if you will listen, then definitely it will boost your listening power and could able to speak very well English language. So the first step that involves is that use the words, learn the words and use it in the sentences. And the second thing is that if you are not able to understand the things in the English, then just go on the social media and just search the speeches, cartoon videos in the English, so that if you will listen all those things, then it will help you to understand more easily and could speak in a better way. And the other thing apart from this, the first thing is that you should have to follow these two things, and apart from this, you should have to just speak, because if you will speak more and more, so that you could able to speak well English language and can enhance your communication skills. Because for learning English language, there is only needed lots of practice. So that's why I can say that do practice. If you will practice a lot, then only you could able to speak a well English language. So if you will do like these things, then definitely you would able to find a good result in yourself, that I am able to speak well English language. And by speaking, if you also want to read the books, I have already mentioned in a video that reading book is really very important for us, because if we will read aloud, then our pronunciations and whatever the problem that we are stuck in speaking English language, that will help to enhance that. So that's why reading book is also very important for us. If we will read more and more books, then it will also helps to boost our vocabulary power. So that will helps in making the sentences and can speak well English language with the peoples and can able to understand very well. So speak, like first listen, all those things. Speak, because if you will speak, then definitely you would able to boost your communication skills. And I can say that English is just a language and there is needed to speak a lot. So that's why I can say that there is needed to speaking is really very important. And after doing all those things, if you really want to improve your communication skills in a better way, then just read the books, newspaper, novels, whatever you are getting, and just read all those things, because it will helps you to learn the vocabularies from the things, from the source that you are reading, and it will helps to enhance your communication skills. So read also. And the first step that is very important is you should have to learn the words, vocabularies, so that it will help you to boost your communication skills. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.